What if your code editor could do more than just write code? In this video, we're combining Visual Studio Code with Zencoder AI to speed up development, assist with UI creation, handle real-world coding tasks, and even fix broken code within seconds. Whether you're a beginner learning to code or an experienced developer looking to automate your workflow and save time, Zencoder turns VS Code into a powerful AI-driven development environment. So let's dive in and see how Zencoder can upgrade the way you code.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First, open Visual Studio Code. Inside VS Code, go to the Extensions section. In the search bar, type Zencoder. From the results, select the verified Zencoder extension. Once you open it, you can see all the details about Zencoder, how it works, its features, usage guides, and documentation. Everything related to chat, coding, and AI-assisted development is explained here. Now click on Install to add Zencoder to VS Code. After installation, you'll notice the Zencoder icon at the bottom of VS Code. Click on it. If an update prompt appears, update it first. Once updated, you'll see the Zencoder chat interface, where you can type prompts, attach files, or provide context for your tasks. Now let's write our first prompt. We want to create a simple HTML to-do list web page. So the prompt will be, create a simple, clean HTML to-do list web page with a header titled My To-Do List, an input field to add tasks, an Add Task button, and a task list area. Use a main container for layout structure and include minimal CSS inside a style tag to make the design centered, modern, responsive, and neat. Once the prompt is ready, click on the Agent selector. Here you'll see multiple Zencoder agents like the coding agent, unit test agent, and more. For this project, select the web development agent. Next, in the model selector, you'll find options like Sonnet 4, GPT 5.1, and Gemini 3. We'll choose Auto Plus, so Zencoder automatically picks the best model. For the agent CLI, we'll keep Zencoder selected, although you can also switch to a cloud agent or OpenAI Codex if needed. Now click Start. The web development agent will begin generating the web page, and you can see the entire process live. Once it's ready, click Run. The to-do list web page opens in the browser. Let's test it. Type a task, click Add, and you'll see the task added instantly. You can also complete or delete tasks, and everything works smoothly. At this stage, the page is simple. Now let's improve the UI and functionality. We'll write a second prompt to enhance the design and add advanced features. Update my simple to-do list into a modern multi-page app for home, tasks completed, and settings with a top navigation bar. Improve the UI with a clean, modern design, card layout, Google Fonts, and responsive styling, and features like categories, priority, due dates, and more. Search, filters, edit and delete buttons, and local storage saving. Include Bark mode in the settings. Use separate HTML, CSS, and JS files. Once the prompt is ready, click Send, and the web development agent will start updating the project again. After the update is complete, click Run to open the new version. Now you can see a completely upgraded task manager with total tasks, completed tasks, pending tasks, and high-priority tasks. At the top, there are navigation options like Home, Tasks, Completed Tasks, and Settings. In the Settings section, you can enable dark mode, export or import tasks using a JSON file, clear all data, and even view version history. Back on the home screen, let's add some tasks. Type something like Workout and click Add. The task is added successfully. Add a few more tasks, and you'll see them listed under Recent Tasks, along with their category and priority. You can also edit tasks, change the title, description, category, priority, or due date. For example, you can switch the priority from medium to high, or update the deadline. After clicking Update, the task instantly moves to the high priority section. All tasks appear under the Tasks tab, and completed tasks are shown separately in the Completed Tasks section. So this is how we built a powerful task manager using simple prompts with Zencoder. Now let's move on to the next part. Now, as you can see, we have an intentionally broken and incomplete code here. This code is not supposed to work. So now let's test the code correction capability of Zencoder. First, we'll paste this broken code into our file and try to run it using the live server extension. As you can see, when we run the code, nothing works correctly, which clearly means the code is broken and not executing properly. Now, here's what we'll do. We'll copy this broken code and paste it directly into the Zencoder prompt box. Along with the code, we'll simply write a prompt like, "Fix this broken code." We'll keep all the chat settings the same and then click on the Send button. Zencoder will now start analyzing the code and automatically fix the errors. Once the process is complete and all issues are resolved, you'll see the Run option. Click on Run, and now you can see the result. The code has been corrected successfully, and the animation is working perfectly inside the browser. If you want, Zencoder can also handle much more complex and advanced code bases. For demonstration purposes, we use this animation example to clearly show how the fixing process works. So whether you're a beginner, intermediate developer, or even a hardcore coder, this feature can save you a lot of time while debugging. That's it for today's video on Zencoder. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more coding tutorials like this one.